the fact that we have washing machines and other sophisticated machines, has that actually made men also chip in with laundry? Is that also a reason why?
I think it certainly made doing chores easier, and because all of us, men and women, are working now, we want to minimize time. So certainly, technology has helped, products have helped, and what we want is for mindsets to change, and that has nothing to do with technology, which is what I think this movement is about. In spite of technology, men just feel that doing laundry is a woman's job by default, and that's something that we're trying to change, and we're trying to say that a happier marriage would be the result of people contributing more equally in the domestic place as well.
कुणाल, आप कितना हेल्प किया करते थे सुहा को?
सुहाग मैं
इससे
एक्चुअली
पहले, ये
मैं
जानते
बचपन से ना, मैं जिस घर में पला बड़ा हूँ, मैंने हमेशा मेरी रुचि रही है, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो या मम्मी की हेल्प करना हो. माई फादर यूज्ड टू आल्सो हेल्प आउट माई मदर. So I've really enjoyed doing this, and in a lot of ways it's made me independent, because when I was living on my own, it really helped to not kind of shell out the money to hire house help, but do it yourself. It's also kind of really fulfilling to be able to be independent and do your own stuff on your own. And I know कि बहुत सारे लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि यार मर्द पूरे दिन ऑफिस जाते हैं, काम करता है, फिर घर पे आके थका होता है, तो अब कपड़े भी धोएगा क्या? मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अगर मर्द अकेले रहेंगे तो ये कौन करेगा? खुद ही करने पड़ेंगे या गंदे कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे? तो ये फिर ये मान लेना कि जब आपकी शादी होगी तो आपकी वाइफ काम नहीं करेंगी, ये अगर ये ऑलरेडी आपका प्रीसेट नोशन है तो फिर आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट आई एम सेइंग आज हम इस दौर में हैं जहाँ पे विमेन एंड मैन आर इक्वल व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क. सो आई कैन ऑल्सो से दैट द वुमन ऑल्सो वर्क्स ऑल डे एंड शी कम्स बैक, एंड it'll be great if you can help out at home to have a happier marriage at the end of the day. So I think Ariel's backed that initiative very well by launching this Share the Load movement. So both of us are very happy to be a part of it.
Kunal, but even in the rural parts of India, it is still the same. The woman does the laundry and the man is the master of the house. So how do you think this can change?
Actually, I have, while I was growing up, I've traveled a lot, and my cousin was living in Dehradun, so I used to visit them. All of those boys wash their own clothes, and they lived on their own. So I beg to differ. I mean, I know there are places where men just won't do it. And hence, for people like that, we are trying to kind of start this movement to say that. और जैसे आपने कहा, we have these wonderful detergents now that make it so simple. It's not कि पहले बाल्टी में कपड़े धो, फिर उसे बैट से और पूरा साफ करो, फिर उसे टांगो, निचोड़ो, फिर भी दाग नहीं निकलेंगे. You put it in the washing machine, put the powder, धो लिया, ड्रायर में कर दिया, बाहर निकाले, smell really good.
Traditional one is a nice way to exercise your body, right?
It is. So if you look at it that way, then it's great. I mean, that's another. But I don't think now people really want to do that.
Technology makes things simpler.
Yeah.
Use